Blue is getting ready to take over. Blue is ready to do the damn thing, y'all. So you need to decide right now. Are you going to be a part of Blue? Or are you not? You trying to get down or lay down, homie?
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick video. Blue. The reason I want to talk about Blue, you know, a lot of different companies, I guess a lot of people usually aren't fans of Blue because, you know, they're a budget company. Their devices aren't really the most premium, things like that. You know, whatever the case may be, they don't update the devices, whatever, right? And I understand it because you got a right to feel how you're going to feel. If you look at the track record of a company, you just want to ask yourself, like, okay, if in the past they haven't done this, why would they do this now? And if in the past it was like this, why would this be changed now? And I get that, and you got a right to feel like that. I try to go into every situation as far as like getting a new phone with an open mind. Yeah, you want the phone to be updated to the later software. You absolutely want that. But at the same time, buy a device that you actually like at the time. If you buy a device and you want it to be updated guaranteed to the next software or next version of Android, get your Pixel. It's pretty simple, right? Like, it'll be that simple. Obviously, the Pixel was a very expensive phone, so it would be kind of hard for you to actually just go out there and get a Pixel. But they have Android One devices. They have Android Go devices. So, like, if that's the necessity for you, like, obviously, just go ahead and do it. Get you an Android Go, Android One, or get you a Pixel device, and you'll be updated to the later software. As far as Blue goes, man, I really think that Blue is on the turn here because this device, the Blue 11 here, the Blue 11 is a great phone, and it's a good turning point for Blue, if you ask me, because the combination of performance, design, price, specs, all that is on point with this phone here, man. The Blue Vivo 11 is probably the best phone I brought at $219 in a long time. With them saying that they're going to be trying their best to update Blue Vivo 11 and 11 Plus here to Android Pie, I believe they are going to actually do it because there are some beta programs going on right now, in case you didn't know. Blue is getting ready to take over. Blue is ready to do the damn thing, y'all. So you need to decide right now. Are you going to be a part of Blue or are you not? You trying to get down or lay down, homie? I myself am a Motorola fan, but I'm also a fan of a good product. If the product is good and the company is making promises to its consumers, to its fans, the community, then I got no choice but to be on their side and say, you know what? Let's give these guys another chance here. So go Blue. If you had the choice, would you consider going Blue? Would you get the Blue Vivo 11 or the 11 Plus based on price? Would you do it? Let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. You have a good day. Deuces.
Yeah, nurse strap.